Hey everybody, it's me, Hans the Ramen Rater, and I got another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time for you today. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and I also show you new stuff, and this is very new. It's so new, it's called Noodie. Yeah, this is smoky garlic Noodie Irresistible Ramen. It's vegan, has 10 grams of protein, and nothing fried. So let's do this sucker up. I am jazzed. The last time I had one of these products, I was not disappointed. So what you do is you take this, look at this noodle block. This is gonna flip your lid, I swear. Over 4,000 reviews, and I've never seen a noodle block go into a box like that. And that's what you cook it in too. It comes with your cooking vessel. I don't know how easy it would be to eat out of it. I guess you could. Then it's got what's called a veggie cube. This is a freeze-dried vegetable block. There's a piece of it. It's broken up. You drop that in there too. And this is just like, got a buttload of vegetables. One buttload. And now you got everything in here. Let me turn this down a little bit, our amazingness. And then we're gonna take that boiling water and dump it on in. Really? That's a cup and a quarter? Okay. And then you're supposed to put a... I don't know. It said 1 1/4 cups. Is it 1 1/4 or 1 3/4? That says 1 1/4. So I'm gonna push it down a bit. I want to make sure it gets in there. That does not seem right. Did I screw this up? God, I hope I didn't. Yeah, let's push it down a little bit in there. And then cover it with comical block for 4 minutes. Isn't that the deal? 4 minutes. And look, where's the thing? 4 minutes. So now we wait and we get to hang out. So what are you doing? Just been so busy doing all sorts of craziness. So much video editing, but I really like editing video. It's so much fun. And I like working a lot in Photoshop and standing in front of camera, and it's good. It's good. And the bread, my God, the new bread machine, I love that freaking thing. Although the last loaf, I don't know, I made the, what do you call it? I made a loaf with 100% ramen flour. Didn't rise all that much, but it worked. And I'm kind of like, that was the holy grail to meet. I needed to meet that bar, and I did. So I don't know how much more of this I really want to do. But what I saw was a noodle machine. Like a Sunbeam noodle machine, and you put all these ingredients in it, it weighs them for you, and you can make your own noodles. That's tempting. What kind of noodles would I make? I don't know. And then I'd have to start making broth. People are like, are you gonna make a business out of this? It's like, no, 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 no. It takes me sometimes, like, to do 3 instant noodles. Okay, today, so I did doing 3 instant noodle videos. One of them, this one takes 4 minutes, the last one took 4 minutes, and the one before that took 3 minutes. I started well over an hour ago. So it's like, it's not like, oh, that should be quick. It'll only take you like 10 minutes in all. No, no. it's time consuming, and I wouldn't be able to give that kind of attention to each and every customer. So it's just like, no. You wanna put my name on something to do that? That's another story, and I'd be into that. But you know, give me a little bit of input on what you're serving, and I'm down. I'm totally down with that. That'd be fun. But as far as me sitting there cranking out bowls of custom noodles for people, forget it. That sounds like a quick way to get me burnt out on doing something I love. So that's just not gonna happen. It's not in the cards, you understand? Oh dude, but you should. I get a lot of you shoulds, but I ain't gonna. So whoa there. Whoa Nelly. Whoa. No, Nelly, no. But, oh, there's plenty of neat stuff to try. It'd be fun to make some noodles, I think. I've never done it before. And I always thought it'd be kind of fun to make dumplings. Yeah. Sauces, broths. No. I like making things like making a big pot of basmati and then taking pumpkin puree, you know, unflavored, not like pumpkin spice. But pumpkin puree and apple and carrot and potato, all that stuff, and taking some massaman curry and just stewing it. Maybe throw some chicken in there and stewing it and have it over basmati. That's like my winter welcome wonderland happiness biscuit right there. Okay, it should be done. So I'm gonna take our Noodies, dump them in there. Whoa. But I like walking around and doing junk. I'm not such a big fan. I like doing what I'm doing right now, but I don't like doing it like that much. Oops. There we go. And then we're gonna add in, this is spicy garlic, huh? We're gonna add in this liquid. This big sachet. Garlic. I love garlic. Let's cross our fingers. This is gonna float my boat. Give her a stir. It's definitely green. Is this all garlic? That... It smells interesting. It's very dark. It smells very good for you, which is not a bad thing. Alright, let's give it a try. I'll let you get the full expression on my face and everything. I think I'm gonna like it. Broccoli. Okay, this one's very, very acidic. Let's take a look at that broth. Very dark broth. A little bitter. You know, I'm gonna have to be honest, this one, not so enamored with. It's very bitter, and it's just kind of, it seems like something just ain't right in this one. I'm very sorry to say that. I'm very fascinated by it. But it reminds me too much of like vinaigrette. I don't. That peanut one that they came out with was just off the hizzy, but this one, perhaps just make it a dry one and add lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of fried garlic in a sachet. Maybe not even fried, maybe just dehydrated. That'll work and crunch nicely. The amount of vegetable in this is an A+. I think that is absolutely wonderful and good to go. I think what the thing I'm running against is the smoky aspect. I don't like that so much. Do another bite. I like the noodle. The noodle's got a good texture to it. You know, I really want it to grow on me, but it's doing the opposite. It's just like, it reminds me, oh, what do they call that stuff? Gundruk? Just like heavy funk vegetable. There's some spring onions. We'll give you a little bit of sesame seed. I don't know what to do. I really don't like this one. That peanut chili one, boy oh boy, I'll have to do another one of that. But this one, I'm very sorry. I don't like this. I'm bummed. I was really hoping I would like all of these, like a lot. Anyways, let's let Rotato do its magical magic. Yeah, I'm really bummed. I really thought I was gonna love this, but I absolutely don't. Oh well. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. I'm done doing stuff for today. You can catch me tomorrow and see some more stuff. Yeah. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.